Okay. Damn. No, next time. Oh, fuck, good step. Oh my god!
Dude, I forgot about that.
Oh shit!
That shit was a fucking wall, bro. I didn't have no choice. Oh, so I did 3 brake tap.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. Kasi mabilis pare when you go down from there. And then you just push it para safer.
Wow.
Alright, go.
Next time, man. Fuck. Takot ako pala. Oh, shit. What happened? Ba't ganon yun?
Surprise, surprise. Sarap na ano eh.